welcome back to the channel. So we also got this surprise package from a company called Carifex. They gave me this, or they sent me this product to review and use and install onto the Honda Accord. And it was really clutch because this part actually just went out on my car. And a hint, it's going to be in the exterior, so that'll give you a little bit of a hint of what it is. But bam, it's their LED headlights. That's really good because right now my car still has the halogens, and honestly one of them just went out, so I can change this before I get pulled over. But let's get a little inside clip of what it looks like inside the packaging. Opening it up, it's pretty compact, which I like. Don't really like when packaging's wasteful because honestly, like, we don't need to be using up all those resources, and we just need enough to protect the package and get it to the customer safely. But it looks like they're individually packaged, and yep, I was right. So here's the bulb. It's all up in there. Little bit light on the packaging, but like I said, as long as it's safe and comes with no damage, I'm cool with that. And then here's the passenger one, but let's get on into the install. So originally I thought that I was gonna have to take off the full front bumper and basically take out the headlight assembly, but as I was looking on YouTube how to change the bulbs, I saw some videos where they basically just reach through the wheel well. They remove the fender liner, but luckily for me on the driver's side there's no fender liner, so you could just reach in there and change it. And then on the other side I'm obviously gonna have to take the fender liner off. I'll show you, but that's much better and a better alternative to removing the full bumper. Actually, this doesn't have a fender liner either. Wow. Okay, it's looking pretty good for us. I just need my brother Calvin to film while I do that part, but yeah, we're about to get this done. Alright, so this is Carifex LED, and Byron successfully took out the old one. Well, we can't see it because there's no light. Let me get a light real quick. But if you look, please focus. Please focus. There's a lot of light coming into random areas, so it's kind of hard. But there it is. That's the stock one, so we're about to take that out right now. All right, he's doing a different method. I hope this works. Sorry again if it's very shaky or not fully in focus. Like I said, this is a very, very cramped area. Like, this is between the wheel and, or the tire and the fender. God damn it. Fuck. Ah, you bitch. He's slowly, little by little, he's prying it off. Dang it, get into focus. There it is. God damn, bruh. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. So Byron got that, he got that thing out. As you can see, this is the stock bulb. This is our master mechanic. He used these pliers and a screwdriver, so let's get that new one in. It's right here, right there. Okay, get that real quick. Hey, all right. Anything you want to say about that?
The old ones they get stuck easily because of the sometimes rocks and dust gets stuck inside. So you gotta be get a little frustrated with it, but some tools help. The channel locks, helps with the pushing the tab, and then this can help you back out.
Nice. All right. So then this. So let's see how.
This one's gonna be easy. You gotta plug that shit in. Bam.
Whoa, yo, it's in, boys. It's in. All right, get that boy in there.
Let's see.
Sorry about the focus and non-focus, because like honestly there's not
like I said, it's not the best amount of space, so I'm doing the best I can here. Alright, so he's gonna wrestle that in.
Yeah!
He's gonna wrestle that in.
It's done.
It's done? Alright, so should we try it out and see what it's like? Hold on. Alright, so he just got it in. I hope it turns on.
Alright.
You think it's good?
Yeah, it should be good. I'll double check it.
Alright, please turn on.
The fuck?
Oh, you could just turn on the...
Where's the key?
Well, it's right here. Hold on.
You need the key in the fucking...
Oh my... Yo, this is bright. Wow. Okay, not bad. Not bad, Carifex.
Check the other side.
Alright, well, this other side is the one that doesn't have one that's working.
What the fuck happened to that?
It burnt out. This is why I have to change it. But anyways, it looks really good. So, let's do one more. Ooh. Really, really nice. Can't wait to check these out in the actual dark.
Yeah!
We're doing the second one.
Ah!
Oh, dude, that one was so quick. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, so he did that one in literal 10 seconds because he started right when I turned on the camera, but...
Fuck.
Alright, so as you can see, the install is not actually hard at all. You can
Fuck this.
You can access it from the fender.
No, that's it.
And
Ah!
hey, that was super quick. I hope the bulb's actually dead. It's not like some fuse thing, but we're gonna find out right now. I'm kind of scared actually. Oh no, Byron, I brought it over here. All right, so here's the new one. All right, like I said, Byron is the master mechanic. He's a lot better than me and Calvin. I want to say Calvin's better at mechanics than me, so I'm the worst one. So that's why I'm usually behind the camera. But here's the little...
Surprisingly, this bulb looks okay.
Maybe it just got loose or something, but whatever. I just hope it works. So anyways, once again, repeating the same process as the last clip. You just plug it back in. I don't know why the other one was insane to take off, but this one seems to be fine. But he's about to plug it back in. And let's see. Should be good.
Where the fuck is it? Oh shit. I gotta check the tabs. So that one. Let me see. Okay.
Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, I am actually sponsored by them, so I do have a link for you guys to purchase some for your car, and I have a discount code that's going to be in the description, so make sure to use it. I'm also going to put it in the pinned comment, but anyways, just make sure to check the video descriptions because it does have little special deals for the viewers, and also has links to our products and mods and everything, so it's a useful tool for you guys, and I just like using that as a place to give more information. I think it's in, right? All right, so here we go. Hopefully it works both sides. Yo, we're in business. We're in business right now, boys. We're in business. The cords got working lights again. Shout out to Carifex and Byron because without them this wouldn't have been possible. I mean, I probably could have done it, but I would have taken like probably an hour at least. But it looks really good. We're gonna probably get some reflections or like some of the illumination on a flat surface to see the difference, and then maybe some driving clips. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like out the box. Alright, so we're gonna get some driving footage. So I'm letting my car warm up. Byron's gonna drive my car while we kind of do a little review of how the car lights up the road, and then also against a flat surface, just to see how bright it is against like a garage door or a wall or something. But Let's get into that right now. Alright, so I have Byron behind the wheel. He's driving my car, but we're kind of just testing how it looks, just like on the road and stuff. So far it looks really good. I guess to be honest, to be fully honest and transparent, I would say that the outer edges of the projection on the light, it is a little weak, as if you can kind of see from the video. But that could be fixed with headlight adjusting and also just tweaking it a little bit more. But my first impressions is it's really good. It really lights up the street really well. This is how it looks when you're daily driving. So if you're kind of tired of the halogens, or you're looking for an upgrade, or you need to replace a dead one, I definitely highly recommend. Also, make sure to use my discount code and my link in the description so that you can get a little bit off for your purchase. And it also helps support the channel so that we can make more videos and content like this and get the Accord build started for real. Because the little exterior and interior mods, they're really good and they're necessary. They're necessary because I do want to refresh the car inside and out. But I'm really looking forward to the power mods. So right now, I'm doing these little things just to kind of get some of the build momentum coming along and people to join. But definitely got a lot of parts coming on the way. RV6 confirmed that my J-pipe and high flow pre-cat, they're on their way. It's probably gonna get delivered either the end of next week or the beginning of the next week. So either the end of next week or 2 weeks from now. I think that was confusing, but anyways, I'm getting really excited because this is where the real bulk of like the build is gonna start. It's like starting with the power. Obviously the suspension is also one thing that needs to be fixed ASAP, because if you guys pay attention to the videos, it looks like we're literally in the sea by how much it rocks, because the struts, they're blown. But luckily Fortunato got me, so that should come around September, beginning of September. It's just backed up due to COVID, but yes, this is basically what it looks like. I just wanted to talk while you saw the street point of view, but
this is a good road to test because there's not many street lights right here.
Exactly. So if you definitely heard Byron, but he was basically saying like this is a good street to test it because there's no street lights at all. It's like pretty
much dead.
Yeah, like see there, that's what it looks like with no light, and then this is it. So anyways, I just wanted to give a little update on the Accord build while showing you how the LEDs look. The next clip we're gonna have it shine against like a garage or a flat surface so that we could see just how strong and concentrated the beams are and where their hot points and the other stuff are. So yeah.
And we just gapped the Infinity.
Yeah,
so.
we got some random runs when we were driving, like this Infinity G35. It was automatic, probably had some bolt-ons. It definitely had an exhaust. He was kind of hooning it behind us, like trying to pressure us, and he's trying to cross double lanes and to get in front of us by going the opposite direction. So of course Byron and I had to show him what the J series is about. He tried a 40 roll. It was a car and a half at least, and if we kept going we would have gained a little bit more, because our top end against the G35 automatic is no bueno for him. And then another thing, we had this Camry do a flyby and smile next to us. So when we were stopped at a light, we ran it, and that boy was gone easily. It was sad. It wasn't even a competition. We ruined his night.
Low-key.
Anyways, we're gonna get the freaking LED test against the flat surface, and then that'll be the end of this video. So this is what it looks like when it's projected against a flat surface. You can see obviously in the middle, like you would expect, its hot spots more towards the middle of like your view, and then it lightens at the edge. I'm not fully in the center of this garage door, which that would have been perfect, but like there's another car in the driveway, so I can't really do that. But anyways, this is kind of like how the beam looks. Let's look how when it's off. Oh, no. Oh, anyways, you're gonna have that little light there, but then you put it back on. So it's pretty bright. Really satisfied with it.
It's a really good headlight bulb to either upgrade or replace any dead bulbs, but this is definitely something I highly recommend. I'm gonna run it, you know, until they die, so I can definitely do a follow-up video. But like I said, I have a special link in the description, and then I have a discount code, so make sure to use that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.